Now, we are multiplying here in question 4. Let's take a closer look. Now, what do I have over here? This is 2.5 times 3. Now, what do I see? 2.5, which is a decimal number, I'm going to multiply it by 3, which is a whole number. We will solve it using the models. We are multiplying 2.5 by what? By 3. This means that we have 3 groups. Each group has 2 flats. So we have 2 flats of each group. And the 2 whole ones and 5 rods, representing the what? 5 tenths. So we will have how many flats? Let's check. We will have 6 flats, representing 6 ones, and 15 tenths, which represent what? 1 flat and 5 tenths. So the number that we will have here, what do we have? We have 7 flats and 5 tenths. So the product of multiplying 2.5 by 3 is equal to what? It's equal to 7.5. So 7.5. If we want to solve it using the standard algorithm, let's check. I'm going to solve this question using the standard algorithm. What do? We start by placing the 2 numbers vertically. What are my 2 numbers? I'm going to write over here. I have 2.5 times 3. Now, what do? I'm going to multiply normally. So we will work the problem as we multiply normally 3 times 25. Now 3 times 5, this is 15. And then 3 times 2, this is a 6. And then we add 1, it becomes what? 7. Now don't forget one thing, which is what? The decimal point. What do? We're not going to forget the decimal point in the what? In its place. So here it's 1 number after the decimal point, 1 number after the decimal point. By that, we get the same exact answer we got from the models. So can we write the answer down here? Yes, it's 7.5. Now, using the models, one of the mistakes you can get is that you forget to write the decimal point. So the result might be 75. And this is too large. Because what? 2.5, if it is repeated 3 times, it will approximately be what? 7. Which is much less than what? 75. Also, you may write the decimal point in the wrong place. For example, some of you might write it as 0.75, which is incorrect. Why? You certainly notice that when we are multiplying 2.5, and this is a number that is greater by what? 0.75. So the product will certainly be greater than the what? 0.75. This is why the reasonable answer that we got was what? 7.5.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.